Hey guys, near the beginning of my print-on-demand journey years ago, I issued a challenge to myself that I want to pass along to you in this video. I'm going to share with you what this was because it was a real motivating factor for me throughout the years as I scaled my business up. And in this video, I'm also going to, in addition to challenging you to meet this same goal, I'm going to show you how you can use awkward styles to get there. So let's get right to it. Years ago, I heard the quote, I think it was from Warren Buffett, something along the lines of, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. So let that resonate with you for a second. And ultimately, I challenged myself to wake up wealthier every day. You know, I used to work as a senior web developer and teach web development at a local university. I had a little web development and hosting business on the side, you know, all very complementary, which should ring a bell because that's basically what I do today with my e-commerce business. But yeah, like I was trading my time for money. I wasn't waking up wealthier. The work that I put in the past didn't help me make any more money if I didn't want to show up to work the next day. This led me to making passive income. And I want to challenge you, regardless of where you are in your print on demand and e-commerce journey, to try to wake up wealthier every single day. A big part of how I do that is using e-commerce. Now, one of the easiest ways to get started today, not like, oh, in a month or 2 months, or, you know, think of 10 reasons why you can't get started. No, how about like actually get started today if you haven't gotten started yet? You can open an Etsy shop, for instance, right now. I have a link in the description that'll even give you 40 free listings just for clicking the link and opening your shop. I know a lot of you guys have already gotten started, but it's always a nice reminder that, hey, if you haven't started yet, use the link. You can start a Shopify store, probably a little bit more delayed gratification, even a WooCommerce store, and launch your own branded products. By the way, if you are new, rather than me make this a 4-hour video where I coach you through how to open an Etsy shop, get some products ranked, etc., how about just use the link in the description to my free print-on-demand mini course, and it'll help get you started. So you can open an Awkward Styles account for free right now and integrate it directly with your Etsy shop that I just mentioned that you can start today. The reason I said Etsy, by the way, is number one, integrating it is real easy. It's like a one-click integration, and they get over 400 million visitors a month, according to SimilarWeb, which is pretty accurate in their estimates of web traffic. That's relevant because, hey, if we're trying to make sales, we need to follow the customers. We don't have to follow the customers, but it's typically good advice to be where the customers are, right? We keep it simple. With Awkward Styles, they have a direct integration so that if we want to list for sale a t-shirt like the one I'm wearing, we can do that in a matter of minutes, and we come up with our own little design. If it sells, Awkward Styles software, because we use them with the integration, will automatically detect the order. They'll begin fulfillment and ship it out within a day or two. You know what I mean? I can't say within a day or two, but literally within days, often within one day. So Awkward Styles, they're based out of Los Angeles, California, beautiful California, I should say. And it's great because, hey, it's US-based fulfillment, all right? What they do our production and shipping. The two components of running a business like this that probably occupy the most time and have the highest capital demands as well. Whether you want to run the business yourself, you still need money to buy the machines required to, let's just say, print a t-shirt design onto a t-shirt. You have to buy inventory. You have to keep the shirts themselves stocked, and you need all the different colors and size combinations. If you offer male-female fit types, that could also be something you have to take into consideration. Awkward Styles has us covered there. And like I said, you can open an account with them for free. And again, they'll take care of production. They'll take care of shipping. They've got the entire facility required to handle this for us in high volume, by the way. So it doesn't matter if we're selling one shirt a week when we just get started, or 10 shirts a day, or 50 shirts a day. They've got our backs. They've got it handled. They've got all the infrastructure. They also support, if you want to do white labeling or drop shipping, they've got your back there as well. Their catalog consists of over 150 print-on-demand products. I've actually reviewed some of them in my previous videos. One of my favorite products that I got from them was a metal sign. And I still have no clue how that works. Printing is not my forte. This is why I love companies like Awkward Styles. I can outsource it to the experts and they figure it out. But they sent me this like sample order. I grabbed a photograph off Vexels of, I don't know how the photographer got it, but it was of like neon jellyfish, and they printed it on this metal sign and it came out beautifully. So I'll put a clip of that in this video so you get to see what I'm talking about. Beyond that though, I mean, over 150 products, massive catalog. They just added print on demand message card jewelry as well. You guys, if you are subscribed to my channel, saw me talking about that recently, and I've already made some sales on my Etsy shop with the new jewelry that I just listed. So guys, keep it simple, right? I'm issuing this challenge to you. Wake up wealthier every morning than you were the night before. That implies you're going to make some sales while you're asleep. An easy way to do that is to, again, follow customers to large e-commerce platforms like Etsy. Etsy is definitely a fan favorite. It is no longer a secret either. I'm sure you guys have seen some of these like Etsy print on demand videos on YouTube, generating just a ton of interest lately. In the year 2020, by the way, a lot of people were making money hand over fist selling things like face masks when the initial sales rush really took off. But yeah, guys, I mean, it's always good to have your shop set up because you don't know when the next big sales opportunity is going to present itself. And Awkward Styles, again, integrates directly. So it is hands off. This is why I say make money while you sleep. It's on autopilot. You literally come up with the designs, create the listings, and the rest is basically on autopilot besides doing some customer service. Also, I just realized that the color green is coming off my monitor and reflecting on my shirt and making the shirt see-through thanks to the green screen. So that's kind of funny there. Sorry about that. In terms of importing products for people that are already selling on Etsy and you're like, well, what if I want to use Awkward Styles for fulfillment and save some money? By the way, we'll talk about pricing in just 1 second. Yeah, they support product imports. You can take your existing listings, sync them with products that Awkward Styles offers. For instance, they offer the probably most popular print on demand t-shirt, the Bella Canvas 3001. You can switch Awkward Styles to become your fulfillment partner, even if you're already using somebody else or you didn't have somebody fulfilling and you are tired of doing it yourself and you want to outsource it to Awkward Styles. By the way, check this out. With the Pro plan, it only costs $9.70 to have them fulfill a Bella Canvas 3001 shirt, one of the most competitive prices in the industry. And by the way, the Pro plan, well, you can actually get 2 months of Pro for free using the special code they made for me in the description. The code is Ryan Hogue, all one word. I'll drop a link to Awkward Styles and I'll put that code right there at the top of the description. Make life easy for you. By the way, you should also check out message card jewelry. I mentioned in recent videos that I've been listing these for sale. I know it's February, so it's kind of a nice opportune time, but I didn't actually really make any pieces targeted towards Valentine's Day. I made them all pretty broad. You guys that have been subscribed to my channel for a while know that I like evergreens. I don't like to do work that I'm only going to receive gratification for once a year, 1 month out of the year. So I spent a weekend basically developing an approach to create some really high quality listings because I don't think it's worth wasting your time making crappy listings. Got a bunch of them set up and already made multiple sales. By the way, if you're wondering how I do this, which I'm sure some of you guys are, check out these videos. I dropped them very recently and they're on YouTube completely free. I'm sharing my insights. I'm sharing how I did it, how I got those initial listings created. Also, by the way, Awkward Styles makes it very easy on us because I'm assuming they hired like a professional photographer. They've got a bunch of really nice photos standalone with the jewelry. They've got models wearing them. They've got like the size charts. They've got everything we need to make, again, really high-end listings, including video, by the way. I haven't seen anybody else doing that, but we can actually push videos to accompany our listings via API. And then we don't have to pay a company like Placeit to make the videos because Awkward Styles already has them done for us. So that was super cool. And again, guys, I mean, it's all available for free. You can get started right now, get the 2 months of Pro for free. And I can link to these videos in the description as well in case you guys want to check them out. So that's it, guys. I'm challenging you to wake up wealthier than you were the night before when you went to bed. Awkward Styles is a big part of making that possible because by using them for fulfillment, they get to do what they do best and we get to focus on scaling our business. So I hope you'll give them a shot. They've been a big part of my success story. And if you are interested in my full print on demand course, I literally walk you through how to start, scale, and automate your print on demand business using the exact process that makes me six-figure profit every single year from print on demand. You can find out more in the description. There's also a full Awkward Styles tutorial in there as well, in addition to how to utilize it to achieve success on platforms like Etsy. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.